So today we're going to take a look at a new feature called Stage Manager, and how you access Stage Manager is come up to the top bar here where your control panel is. Just click this little button here. You'll see this pop out, you're going to see this new Stage Manager. This is obviously for the new macOS 13 update that came out yesterday. It's the point of filming this. Click Stage Manager and you're going to see that all the applications there just disappeared. And what the cool idea of this is that your little applications, you can swap between them if you like multitasking. Or, you see like that, or what you can do is you have what Apple calls a space. And with spaces, you just go over here. You can select your applications from the side. This is obviously applications that are open and running, and you can just drag this on here, and now that creates one space. So if we go and select the App Store here, for example, and we go back over, you're going to see Chrome and the calculator are actually all in one space like that. Now, of course, if you want to get rid of one, you just drag it and push it off to the side, and it becomes its own separate little program. So the cool thing about this is that you can just quickly swap between programs, and you can also decide on a few different settings if you want these constantly on the side. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the settings menu here, and we're just going to search for Stage Manager. There we are. We're going to click that, and what you can do is you can have this as its own function appearing in the top bar. So as we can see, we can put this on the menu bar. If we put it on the menu bar, close this down, what we can do is we can go to Stage Manager settings, and we can show recent applications. You know, so put desktop items, and you can do some other stuff like that. But what this allows you to do is, if we close that, is that your program is down the side. So let's say you're flipping between a few different applications, doing something you just want to like go from one to the other, you can quickly just swap between them all like so. This could be really useful if you need to use like one browser for one thing and a browser for another thing, or you're wanting to refer to like a Word document or something and refer it to a browser. All sorts of cool multitasking scenarios like that. If you ever want to turn this feature off, we can just go up here, just click Stage Manager off on the icon, or we can just go back into control panel and just click off. And that just puts all your applications back like they would be before this update. So once again, you just turn it on at the top, and there you are. So that's how you use Stage Manager in the new macOS update. Hope you found that useful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.